Tuesday night featured Tuesday Brews Day and Game 2 of a 3-game set between the Lynchburg Hellcats and the Myrtle Beach Pelicans. We start in the top of the first inning in a scoreless game. Andrew Faulkner strikes out Jose Peraza looking. Faulkner made his first start in 10 days, tossing 4 scoreless innings. Moving to the bottom of the first, with Chris Correa on third base, Preston Beck hits a ground ball to Edison Sanchez. Sanchez throws it home, but Correa slides in before Joseph Odom can apply the tag. The Pelicans lead 1-0. We go to the bottom of the third. With the bases loaded, David Lyon hits a blooper to left. David Nick can't make the catch. Luis Mendez and Chris Correa score on the play. 3-0 Birds after 3. That was the last run the Pelicans scored in the game. We move to the top of the 7th with Cody Bikel on the mound. With the score 3-2 and runners on the corners, Edison Sanchez hits a fly ball to Jose Cardona. He makes the catch, but Eric Garcia scores on the play. Game tied at 3 apiece. Later in the inning, same score. Jose Peraza grounds out to Christopher Bostic. On Bostic's lob to first base, Daniel Castro sprints home to give the Hillcats the lead. The Hillcats win this game 4-3. The Birds' loss tonight was the first loss against the Hillcats this season. They look to avoid losing consecutive series for the first time this year on Wednesday night. Wednesday night is Wiener Wednesday, sponsored by WPDE. Fans can buy dollar hot dogs all night. It is also Firefighter Appreciation Night. There will be a jersey auction to benefit the South Carolina Firefighters Association. The first pitch is set for 7:05 p.m.